There are many pieces of equipment that can be attached using a front-mounted plate. This video shows how to attach a smaller containment plow to a skid steer. Before beginning the attachment process, the operator should conduct a safety walk around the machine and inspect the attachment and mount for missing bolts or pins, bent or cracked metal, or other structural issues. A team member should be in front of the containment plow maintaining eye contact with the operator. Center the front of the equipment and the attachment plate, which should be in the up position. Drive slowly to align the equipment mount frame inside the attachment plate mount. The vehicle mount frame fits inside the hooks on the attachment plate mount. Once aligned, adjust it to the down position. Align connection points before engaging the locking pins. Turn off the machine while the ground person confirms the equipment is safely and properly secured. After giving the operator a thumbs up, the equipment is ready to operate. Look to the front, sides, and back of the equipment to ensure all ground operators are safely away. Turn on the equipment and move the attachment up, down, and tilt side to side to ensure it is attached properly and begin operations. To detach, the operator should scan the sides and back of the equipment and lower the attachment to rest on the pavement. Look again to the sides and back, push the button to raise the pins to a fully upright position. Lower the boom to allow clearance from the boom and the attachment. Check your surroundings and pull away.